Flight Escape. I used to play this a bunch before I had my YouTube channel. I used to play this a bunch with my sister. But she's not in this video. And yeah, guys. Happy Easter. Or is it like something Easter? Or is it just Easter? Easter. And some people say Happy Christmas. It's Merry Christmas. But it's Easter right now. No, it just means this dude. Come on. You're gonna be in the video. You're in the video. Congratulations. Did he leave? Oh. Yeah, he did. It's just two people. Come on, honey dog. Oh, leaving. Oh, made it. Plumbing. No, I don't want to be Luigi or Mario. I will have Luigi's mustache, so. Okay, hit the blue button. Got the blue button. Wait, did the other person fall? Hit the green button. Green color. Nobody fell. So this is gonna be a lot harder. Actually, no, I can do it without his mate. So I jumped. And plus, why do you die instantly? No. Well, I do swim. I can't actually swim, but like when I did when I was 4, I would kick my feet because I'm not tall enough to the ground. I would kick my feet super fast, and all the pressure hitting the floor, it would like bounce up and push me up. Ooh, people back in medium already. Bye bye. Guess what? You guys are all in the video, but sadly nobody watches these. So yeah, sorry. I just got my YouTube channel without recording this. I just got it 40 days ago. Yeah, and today's Easter. And I have a channel for 40 days. And also a restaurant game I've been playing. Also, I'm on day 42. I played it before, but I stopped playing. And then it's like, how many? But now I can go like days. The game days. Until we play the channel. Okay, please tell me there's actually a way to get up here. No, not again. Bye bye. Mama bold. Why is it Poopy Monkey? They can't even spell monkey right. Gonna do either this one or this one. There are more people in this one than easy. Well, it's easier, but there's only one person. Mini. Miney, I like green better. I have Poopy Party. Actually, guys, where's even Poopy Party? Yeah, well, it is Easter, so you might have it. But why did Poopy? Did you miss the? Do you not have a toilet or something? It's full. No, I didn't mean. No. How do you expect it? Easy. Are you just gonna fall? Or are you gonna escape? They escaped. That's what we need to be doing. Now this one. Just people, hop in if you want to be in the video. Hop in if you want to be in the video. in a video. No? Okay, but it's your loss? No! Lead dog! Okay, they're in our team. I'm not going down. My nose is stuck in the thingy. Oh, we got teleported off. Which way am I supposed to be going? Oh, I've been going the wrong way. Jump! Jump! Okay. Whoa. People, make it. People, can you actually just make it? Made it. Zelina can make it. Is Isabella? You from Encanto? And people say Encanto. I guess it should be Encanto because Mirabel can't get a power in Encanto. Yeah. Okay, there they got the button. Go up the railing. Also, do you guys know Lego Marvel 2? Also, in Lego Marvel 2, this one is out there. Hulk is broken. He's part of it. He can jump. He can get to places faster than Spider-Man because he can leap off of buildings. But yeah, back to talking about Kit. And this is that the bunny person. I guess they didn't know what to hop, and they hopped to the water. Like one time, no access. What do you mean by that? No entry. Why? Announcer entry? Yeah, there is. But did that start the flood? I'm not gonna make it. I didn't make it. But not fully yet. Why? Just why? Well, cannonball. Okay, I'm gonna do one more game. Oh, I can make it. Come on in. No, my hand kept moving, so I slipped. I knew I shouldn't have those slippery crackers. Ah! No! I can't die. Really? As soon as I said that. So I guess that was super short. I guess I'll do one more after this. If it actually lasts longer than that. One for once, I'll go. Well, 1 second. I'll go in here. There's 3 people left. I'm gonna spectate, but you guys are gonna crash. Yeah, I saved. I was luckily, well, it didn't like delete or anything, so yeah. Can we just go down, please? Can you just go down? For once, we will actually go down. 13, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The game is starting with a new at least be. Can there be at least 1 hero in this game? I know, don't have fame, but you know, it's all dry. Ah! This guy just glued me to his forehead and jumped across. And then I slipped off and landed on the tip. That was the most insane thing in this whole video. Except for this. I fell, but I making a recovery. He's making this time. Please do what I won't do a rhyme. Come on, just me now. We're in. Hey guys, happy Easter again. Hope if you are doing egg things, that you get a bunch of candy. Hey, up here. Run, 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 run. Well, since I'm dead. See ya. See you all next time.